Welcome to everyone. One of the biggest questions in occultism is super abilities. And how do people obtain these kind of abilities? There's much talk about this, and what it takes to reach these, and the methods and so forth are pretty much unknown to most people. Yet there are facts of what levels you can obtain, ways of obtaining it as well. But this is an outer order audio, and the information about super abilities and how to attain them are only for outer order members. So we encourage everyone to listen to this lecture and many other lectures that are not public to join the outer order and support the guild.